Updating drawing views. Remember that our drawing views are associative relationship to our drawing model. So we need to change our drawing model, not our drawing views. So we need to come down into model space and make a change. So in this case, let's say I'm going to put a little cylinder, and I'll put a cylinder in the center of this top face, for example. And so I'll put a little cylinder right there. So now when I come back into my layout, you can see that it's been automatically updated. Okay, I'll zoom extend here a little bit so we can see that a little better. So you can see that that's automatically updated. When I go to my layout tab, my auto update is automatically on. So this is my view update auto system variable. This thing is on. It's blue, so that means it's on. Well, sometimes we don't want to make changes to our documentation. We might want to changes to our model, but not to our documentation. If that is the case, we will turn off this auto update. Now changes made to the model are not going to get changed to our drawing. So in this case, I'm just going to move this over a little bit, and I'll say OK. And let's put another one on. Let's make it obvious. All right, let's put another one on there. Now let's put one right there. Okay, so we got two of them there. Now we come back into our layout, and you can see that it doesn't show the updated view of the two different cylinders, and it knows the model has been changed and is no longer up to date. What it does is it puts these red crop marks around the views to show that these views are out of date. So these red markers show that they're out of date. Now, I can go up to my layout tab, and in the layout tab, I have next to my auto update is I have update view. I can update one view and select the view and say just update that view. But typically, more traditionally, we'll update all the views at once. So if we're manually doing this, we want to pick the times when we want to update it. Remember, it's still not the auto update is turned off. So if at this point I can say update all views, and it'll update all the views, and now they're in sync with the model. But I'm still not in auto mode yet. I'm still in the manual mode. So I can go in two different variations. I can go in the auto mode, or I can go in a manual mode. In the manual mode, I have to come in here and update the view. I can update one view at a time or all the views, which is the recommended method.